Hello and welcome to an India Today special broadcast that comes to you from Maximum City, Mumbai. We are at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus in Mumbai. I'm Gaurav Sawant, and over the course of the next half hour, we will talk about the India-France partnership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi described the India-France partnership as a force for global stability in a world that's full of turmoil and churn. There was conversation around the H-125 helicopters. Now, why is this a game changer? Remember, India is the only country in the world that has a battlefield at ultra-high altitudes. Siachen, for example, you have your soldiers deployed at 22,000 feet altitude, and there's no helicopter in the world that can fly loads at that altitude. Of course, the Alouettes or the Cheetahs and the Chetaks, they've done so, but that's the skill of the Indian Air Force or Indian Army pilots. This H-125 will be an absolute game changer. The French president spoke of technology transfer when it comes to the Rafale fighter jets, of submarines, and also warships and other defense items. Now, what does this how does this translate into action on ground? An India-France strategic partnership, is this then the go-to force when it comes to aviation, aeronautics and partnership? India hedging when it comes to either Russia or the United States of America. We'll talk about this in greater detail, but first, our Mumbai and Delhi bureau bring you our top story.
My dear friend, President Macron, दोनों देशों के डेलीगेट्स, मीडिया के साथियों, नमस्कार, bonjour.
Bonhomie strategy and a clear message to the world. The Modi-Macron meet in Mumbai signaled a partnership that goes beyond diplomacy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron came together to reaffirm ties from artificial intelligence to advanced materials, from defense to digital science. They made it clear the ties are designed for the long haul and for global impact.
Indo-French Center for AI in Health, Indo-French Center for Digital Science and Technology और नेशनल सेंटर ऑफ अलायंस फॉर स्किलिंग इन एरोनॉटिक्स लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं और ये मात्र इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं है, ये फ्यूचर बिल्डिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स है.
By jointly pressing the button.
A key symbol of that trust, the virtual inauguration of the Airbus H-125 helicopter assembly line at Vemagal in Karnataka.
भारत और फ्रांस मिलकर माउंट एवरेस्ट की ऊंचाइयों तक उड़ान भरने वाला विश्व का एकमात्र हेलीकॉप्टर भारत में बनाएंगे और ये पूरे विश्व को एक्सपोर्ट भी करेंगे. इंडिया फ्रांस पार्टनरशिप knows no boundaries.
Beyond manufacturing, the message was strategic. Both leaders spoke in one voice on democratic values, the rule of law and multipolar world.
ये पार्टनरशिप केवल स्ट्रेटेजिक नहीं है. आज के उथल-पुथल से भरे युग में ये ग्लोबल स्टेबिलिटी और ग्लोबल प्रोग्रेस की पार्टनरशिप है.
हमने एक नए रास्ते, कई नए रास्ते चुने हैं, जैसे कि तीसरा रास्ता जो हिंद प्रशांत क्षेत्र का हो या फिर तकनीक का हो या फिर, और जिसमें हम ऐसा रास्ता है जिसमें कोई भी हेजेमनी ना हो और हम पूरी तरह से कानून में, रूल ऑफ लॉ में विश्वास करते हैं.
From Rafale fighter jets to submarines, defense cooperation is expanding. Macron called India one of France's most trusted partners.
चाहे राफाल हो, चाहे सबमरीन्स हो, चाहे वो ये जो हेलीकॉप्टर्स के लिए जो फाइनल असेंबली लाइन जो टाटा एडवांस्ड कंपनी जो है वो मिलकर फ्रांस के साथ कर रही है. हम मिलकर भारत के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पर हम टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर में विश्वास करते हैं.
In the world facing uncertainty, conflict, and power rivalry, the India-France partnership is projecting stability, balance, and trust. Bureau Report, India Today.